Good morning, student. Today I am going to revise chapter 6, triangles and its properties. Triangle is a closed curve made up of three line segments. It has three vertices, sides and angles. A, B, B, C and C are the three sides. A, B and C are three vertices and angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles. Okay. Now, types of triangle on the basis of sides. Scalene triangle, isosceles triangle and equilateral triangles. Length of all sides are different is called scalene triangle. Length of two sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Length of all sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Types of triangles on the basis of angles. Acute angle triangles, obtuse triangles and right angle triangles. A triangle whose all the angles are acute is called acute angle triangles. A triangle whose one angle is obtuse is called an obtuse angle triangles, and a triangle whose one angle is right angle is called a right angle triangle. Media of triangles. The line segment joining a vertex of triangle to the midpoint of its opposite side is called the median of the triangle. Now, a triangle has three medians. You know, D is the midpoint of BC, so AD is the median of given triangle. AE, BF and CD are also the median of triangle. Altitude of triangle. Altitude is the line segment made by joining the vertex and the perpendicular to the opposite side. Altitude is the height if we take the opposite side as the base. YM and XL are the altitude of the triangle. Angle sum property of a triangle. This property says that the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. M angle A plus M angle B plus M angle C is equal to 180 degree. Now we can prove the sum of all angles of triangle is 180 degree. Given triangle PQR with angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. We have to prove angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So we have to construct a triangle. Draw a line XY passing through P parallel to QR. Proof for line XY and QR with transversal PQ. Angle 2 is equal to angle 4, alternate angles. For line XY and QR with transversal PR, angle 3 is equal to angle 5, alternate angles. Also for line XY, angle 1 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 degree linear pair. From equation first and second, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. So the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Exterior angle property of the triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle will always be equal to the sum of two opposite interior angle of the triangle. An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angles. You can see the figure. If we extend any side of triangles, then we get an exterior angle. An exterior angle must form a linear pair with one of the interior angle of the triangle. There are only two exterior angles possible at each of the vertices. See the figure. Angle 4 is exterior angle, angle 5 is exterior angle, but angle 6 is not an exterior angle of the given triangle. Consider triangle ABC. Angle ACD is an exterior angle. To show M angle ACD is equal to M angle A plus M angle B. Through C, draw CE parallel to BA. Now, justification. Angle 1 is equal to angle X, alternate angle, because BA parallel to CE and AC is a transversal. Second step, angle 2 is equal to angle Y, corresponding angle, because BA parallel to CE and BT is transversal. Now we have to add step A and step B. Angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle x plus angle y. Angle x plus angle y is equal to m angle ACD, you can see in the figure. So angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. Now two special triangles. First, equilateral triangle. It is a triangle in which all the three sides and all three angles are equal. You can see here all three sides are equal and all three angles are equal. Second, isosceles triangle. It is a triangle in which two sides are equal and the base angle opposite to the equal sides are also equal. ED and EF are equal and angle D and angle F are also equal. Sides of a triangle. Sum of the length of the two sides of a triangle will always be greater than the third side, whether it is an equilateral, isosceles or scalene triangle. You can see the figure. Here AB plus BC is greater than AC, AB plus AC is greater than BC, and AC plus BC is greater than AB. So always sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Okay. Right angle triangle. A right angle triangle is a triangle which has one of its angles as 90 degree and the side opposite to that angle is the largest leg of the triangle, which is known as hypotenuse. The other two sides are called legs. Pythagoras theorem. In a right angle triangle, the square of the hypotenuse equals the sum of the squares of its remaining two sides. Means the square on the hypotenuse is equal to sum of the square on the legs. A square plus B square is equal to C square. Now, I am giving some question for practice. First, draw a rough sketch for the following. A. In triangle ABC, B is a median. B. In triangle PQR, PQ and PR are altitudes of the triangle. Second, AM is a median of the triangle ABC is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM. Make the diagram and explain it. Third, ABC is a triangle, right angle at C. If AB is equal to 25 cm and AC is equal to 7 cm, find BC. Fourth, a tree has at a height of 5 meters from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 cm from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. Now solve some multiple choice question. First, Pythagoras theorem is applied in A. Acute angle triangle, B. Obtuse angle triangle, C. Right angle triangle, D. None of these. Second, the number of elements of a triangle are A1, B2, C3, D6. Third, the sum of the length of any two sides of a triangle is A less than the length of the third side, B greater than the length of the third side, C A and B both, D none of these. Fourth, how many median is a triangle lie? A 1, B 2, C 3 and D 4. Fifth, the total measure of the three angles of a triangle is A 90 degree, B 180 degree, C 100 degree, D none of this. Okay student, have a nice day.